Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Cho, and today I'm going to show you how to graph different kinds of functions using Desmos online graphing calculator. First, we're going to open up a browser screen, and then you can type in desmos.com, desmos.com. Once you get to the home page, you'll hit graphing calculator, or you can get there directly by going to desmos.com/calculator, up to you. On the right-hand side, there's a graph. Then on the left-hand side, there are different places where you can enter functions. So let's start simple with graphing a line. Let's do y is equal to 2x plus 3. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. So as you can see, Desmos graphs it automatically for you. And it also includes these gray dots over here where it hits the x and the y intercepts. So you can hover over it and see the x-intercept is at -1.50. You can click on it to make it stay. And then similarly with the y-intercept, it's at 0.3, which we can click on. If it's too much, you can just unclick it and that's fine too. If we enter in a different line, let's say with a fraction slope, y is equal to -1/4 x. I can do y is equal to -1/4 x, 1 divided by 4, and x. But then if you notice, my x is now in the denominator, which is not what I want. I want to multiply by x, not divide. So I'm going to delete this here. I'm going to go back and click outside until I can see that the cursor is at the fraction bar level. It's centered. I'm going to type the x here. Now you can see that there's an extra gray dot where the two lines intersect, which you can hover here, click here. What if we have more complicated functions like quadratics? So we can use a special keyboard for that, which is available here in the bottom left corner. So I'm going to click on this, show keyboard, and here I can type in y is equal to, let's say, we'll do a quadratic. X is a squared minus 3x plus 2. And now my screen is getting a little busy and I don't want to see the lines anymore. So I can just toggle them on and off by clicking on these circles right next to the function. So if I click on this blue one, I can turn it off and on, whatever you like. We can also do square root functions. So say if y is equal to, let's say 5 times the square root of x. And I can't see that very well, so I can either click and anywhere on the screen and drag, or I can use this zoom out button so I can get a better view. I can also do absolute value functions. Y is equal to, the absolute value is here. So let's say 2x minus 1. And I'll close it by clicking again. I can also do exponentials, and this is getting busy, so I'm gonna hide. So y is equal to 3 to the power of x, so 3, and then this is the or an exponent that's not a square. So then I have 3 to the power of x. So if I want to show you my work, I can just take a screenshot on a Chromebook, which I don't have. On a Chromebook, it's just Control and then the Show Windows key. On the screen, you'll see different ways to take a screenshot if you have different operating systems. Okay, so that's really it. Desmos I really enjoy because it's very easy to use, and we'll be using it a lot in this class. If you have more questions, please let me know, and I'll see you next time.